Research indicates that individuals who follow plant-based diets tend to exhibit greater resistance to LDL oxidation, further underscoring the protective benefits of plant-based eating. Kale, a nutrient-packed powerhouse among plant foods, effects on LDL oxidation. Kale is rich in vitamins, minerals, anti-inflammatory compounds, antioxidants, and essential nutrients. Its remarkable antioxidant capacity demonstrated a protective effect against LDL oxidation, even at lower concentrations. Studies involving kale have shown positive effects on coronary artery disease risk factors in individuals with high cholesterol levels. Remarkably, despite the removal of nearly all fiber in the form of juice, the consumption of kale still led to a 20% drop in LDL cholesterol levels among non-smokers. This suggests that kale possesses unique properties that contribute to its health benefits, raising the question of whether similar benefits can be obtained from its consumption in whole form. To explore this further, researchers investigated the effects of black and red cabbage on oxidized LDL levels. Participants were instructed to consume a daily portion of frozen kale and cabbage for 2 weeks. This approach offers convenience, as the vegetables can be kept in the freezer, pre-washed and pre-chopped, for easy inclusion in various meals. The results were remarkable, with significant reductions in total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, blood sugar levels, and an increase in antioxidant capacity in the participants' bloodstreams. Importantly, they also exhibited a significant decrease in oxidized LDL levels. Another intriguing option is the fermentation of red cabbage into sauerkraut. Red cabbage, known for its antioxidant richness, can be a versatile and flavorful addition to meals. However, fermentation, while extending its shelf life, often involves excessive salt use and may lead to nutrient loss. Comparing the antioxidant capacity of fresh and fermented red cabbage, a clear distinction emerged. The post-meal antioxidant capacity in the bloodstream was reduced by nearly 30% when participants consumed the same amount in fermented form. This highlights the potential drawbacks of fermentation in terms of preserving the nutritional value of cabbage. Cooking techniques can have both positive and negative effects on the antioxidant activity of vegetables. While cooking can soften vegetable tissues, making it easier to extract active compounds, it can also lead to the degradation of certain beneficial compounds. Research suggests that steaming may be considered one of the best home cooking techniques for preserving the antioxidant activity of kale and red cabbage. However, the ultimate goal should be to encourage consumption in a way that suits individual preferences, as the most effective way to prepare these foods is the one that will lead to the highest intake. In summary, plant-based diets rich in fruits and vegetables, particularly those with antioxidant properties like kale and red cabbage, offer protection against LDL oxidation and contribute to overall heart health. Whether consumed fresh, cooked, or fermented, incorporating these plant foods into your diet can have a positive impact on your cardiovascular well-being. We'd like to hear from you about other kale and red cabbage benefit. If you know, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for investing your time in watching today's video. As always, we extend my well wishes for your health, wealth, and happiness.